In order to make collaborating easier, you can use comments. So over here, you can see that I got some sentences right here. And let's say I want to tell the other user to add in, let's say, for example, a title on this space. So over here, you can see that you can add in comment by pressing on this plus icon that appears right here. So I'm just going to click on here and type in, add in a title above this paragraph. You can see that the whole paragraph is selected as I clicked on the plus button. So now you can see that now what happens is that the other user will be able to see the comment right over there, and then they might make changes onto this. So this can be done live or later on. So they can add in something like title right over here, and then they might bold this out just like that. And then they can reply to your comment saying, make the changes. Please check, just like this. So once they reply to the comment, what happens is that you'll see the reply. And then once done, you can just resolve out the comment right here. So another thing that you can do is you can select a particular portion just like this. And what you can do is you can right click and click on comment to add in comment to that specific area. Check the spelling. For example, I can just do like this and comment it out. So it goes to the other user again, and you can do the same thing. Another way to work around with comments is to select this out and go on to the comment section right here. And you can see all of the comments that has been mentioned just like this. And when it was there, you can reopen it out right here. If you have, for example, closed any comment, simply click it and it reopens right here. You can show all the comments just like this. You can also select out a portion, go on over here into comment and click on add a comment, and then add in comment right over here, just like this. So once you do that, you can go over here and even turn on notification for the comments. So you can go to notifications and let's say, for example, if there's any comment added in and you want notification for all, then you can get notifications on every comment type so that you know the update of the document is happening. If you don't want any notifications, then you can choose no notifications. And if you only want notifications on your comments, that is replies to your comments, then you can choose only yours, just like this as well. And these are the comment features and how you can work with comments inside of a Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.